It's been a while since we talked about the SoFi credit card, so let's brush up on the newest features and figure out if this product is still worth it in 2023. Alright, so the SoFi credit card was launched a few years ago at this point and immediately rivaled some of the best cards in the beginner to intermediate category, including things like the Discover It credit card and the Citi Double Cash card. I'll leave some links down below where you can watch the different versus videos that I've done with the SoFi card, as well as a link where you can sign up and get up to $250, but more on that later in the video. But what immediately put this product on my radar was the simple 2% cash back on all of your purchases without any limit on the amount that you could earn. Now, that flat 2% back is nothing new, and the Citi Double Cash card has offered that exact reward structure for years. But what truly differentiated the SoFi credit card from similar players in the space is the seamless integration with the other amazing products and software that SoFi offers. But this product has only gotten better since then, and the core features now include that same 2% cashback on all of your purchases, which is given to you in the form of points that can be redeemed in a ton of different unique ways. And right now you can earn up to 3% cashback for your entire first year on all of your purchases, plus a bonus of up to $250 when you set up direct deposit. You also get self-earn protection of up to $1,000, MasterCard ID theft protection, reduced interest rates by 1% APY after you make 12 on-time payments. Not that that should matter at all if you're using this card properly. The seamless integration with all of SoFi's other financial tools, which we'll talk more about in a second, as well as no foreign transaction fees, and the many benefits that come with the World Elite MasterCard program, including a $5 monthly Lyft credit, free ShopRunner membership, a 3-month free trial to DashPass, and a ton of others. And of course, all of that comes to you for the whopping price of $0, meaning this card has no annual fee. But again, the huge differentiator here is the integration with other SoFi products, which includes the ability to redeem your cashback points directly into cash with your SoFi checking or savings account, redeem it as a statement credit towards your credit card balance, automatically invest it in your SoFi Invest account, including cryptocurrency investing, or you can even put those points towards eligible SoFi loans, including personal and student loan balances. And I promise this is super easy, and all you have to do is navigate to the credit card tab within the SoFi app and select rewards. From this page, you'll be able to view all of your recent activity, including how many reward points you earned on each transaction, your lifetime earnings, and your different redemption options. So from here, if we select redeem, you can see all of the options that I just went through. And in my case, I don't have any loans with SoFi, but I do have my investing accounts, my bank accounts, and my SoFi credit card in here, and I can redeem my points by selecting any of these options. While we're in here, I will point out that when redeeming points directly towards your credit card balance, it is worth half as much as the other options, so I would just avoid that one. And if you're looking to just get the cash equivalent out of your points, then just put that directly into your checking or savings account and then use that money to pay off your credit card balance. But with the exception of the credit card category, 1 point is worth 1 cent, and for every dollar that you spend, you will be given 2 points, which is the equivalent of 2% cash back. There's also several alternative ways to earn points that you can view by selecting the Earn tab, and in here you can see all of your different earning options, including setting up other products with SoFi, adding your card to your mobile wallet, and stuff like that. Just glancing at the SoFi app, you can see how seamlessly this product integrates with the other products that SoFi offers, and if we go back out to the main credit card tab, from here you're able to easily pay your balance, view your statements for each month, and of course, manage your card, including authorized users, and contact SoFi's incredible customer support. And this goes for every SoFi product, not just their credit card, but they have 24/7 phone support and 24/7 virtual support. And in my experience, you're usually able to talk to a real, helpful human being in a matter of minutes, which for me personally is really important. Okay, so there's been a few minor changes to this product, but for the most part, this is all old news. So what is new, and is this product worth it in 2023? Well, obviously, that depends on the person asking the question, so here's a few scenarios to help you decide. If you are brand new to credit cards and you have no credit history of any kind, then it doesn't hurt to go ahead and apply if you have decent, consistent income, because in that case, you may still be able to get approved even with no prior credit history. But if you do fall into that category and you don't have consistent, regular income, then I wouldn't apply yet, just to avoid that hard pull on your credit report. And instead, I would start with something like the Discover It credit card, use that for a little while, build up that foundational score, and then come back and apply for the SoFi card. If you already have 1 or 2 credit cards, or maybe you have established credit history from a different lending product and you just want a simple, to-the-point way of earning flat cash back on your everyday purchases, then I'd say this is absolutely a product worth applying for. And having used dozens of products myself, you'll be hard-pressed to find anything that is easier to use with a simple flat cashback structure. Even something like the Discover It credit card, which you all know I really like, requires you to activate rolling categories each month and keep track of those spending multipliers. And for most users, it also requires you to link your third-party bank account, meaning payments and transfers are a little bit slower. Compare that to something like this, where your banking and credit card are under the exact same company and application, and in my opinion, it's kind of an obvious decision. Now, if you're in the category like myself and you already have multiple credit cards, you frequently travel, and you understand how to use multiple credit cards to maximize your cashback and rewards, then you'll want to carefully consider whether this product is even worth adding to your wallet, and in most scenarios, the answer is probably no. The reason I say that is if you have and strategically use multiple credit cards, then you probably have a card that gives you higher cash back on gas, another one that gives you high cash back on groceries, another one for dining, and so on and so forth. And when you have a multi-card setup like that and you know how to use it effectively, then these flat cashback credit cards become pretty much useless. I have had both the Discover It credit card and the SoFi credit card for several years at this point, but I now use a multi-card setup with my American Express Blue Cash Preferred, giving me 6% on groceries and 3% on gas, my American Express Gold card giving me 4 points per dollar on dining, while my Capital One Venture X card covers the entry-level travel benefits. Again, that's just one example that I use, but my point is, in many spending categories, I'm able to earn way more than 2% cash back, and therefore a flat 2% from the SoFi credit card is really useless. But at the end of the day, you can apply in a matter of minutes right from your smartphone, get an instant decision, and considering they're now offering 3% cash back for your first year if you have direct deposit set up, and a bonus of up to $250, it's kind of a hard offer to beat. The last thing I'll say if you're still on the fence is there's really no long-term disadvantage of a credit card that has no annual fee, because with more premium products, you have to be using them and be able to justify that annual fee. Like I said, I've had my Discover It and SoFi credit cards for years now, and while I don't use them very much anymore, just keeping those accounts opened improves the average age of my credit and increases the total lines of credit that I have, which ultimately is good for my credit score, especially considering those are some of my oldest lines of credit. And I never carry a balance on any of my credit cards. I have never paid a penny in interest to any credit card company, and I've also never had any line of credit outside of these credit cards, yet I was still able to build a pretty decent credit score in the high 700s at a pretty young age. So if you are on the fence, there's not much of a downside here, and at the very least, you can get 3% cash back for your first year and that bonus of up to $250 with direct deposit. But that is just my opinion, so let me know what you think of this product down in the comment section. Be sure to check out the SoFi credit card using the link down below the like button, and check out this video for the top 15 credit cards right now, or this video for the ultimate crash course on how to use a credit card for beginners. As always, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.